Enjoy the view of this 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a solid, smooth-riding Nissan Pathfinder, the family-oriented three-row crossover with impressive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive. Flexible seating and standard driver assist safety features give you the convenience and confidence to enjoy every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, third row seat, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.